Hi, this is just a quick guide on how to get started with our app. We'll just go to view more and select integration. This will show you a list of all the integration that our app a list of all review platforms our app integrates with. So we'll use Judge Me for this as an example. So once you select connect, you see a list of instructions of what you need to do in order to sync all your reviews from Judge Me into our app. In this case, you just have to enter your private API key and it will sync all your reviews into our app. So next we will go on displaying how to add our review into your checkout. So go to settings and go to checkout, and in your checkout always make sure to create a duplicate of your existing checkout just to test, and then click on edit. Once you've clicked on edit, you can then be able to add our checkout block. So as you can see from the video, you'll be able to see options to add blocks. So just select any of those and add block, and then add checkout reviews. This will then show all the reviews for that particular product. So depending on what plan you are on, you see a preview on how this will look when a customer visits your store and is in the checkout. This is how the app will display. So you see how it displays, and you can drag and drop wherever you like the review to display. So we recommend just before or after the pay now button. This is also very mobile responsive. You can drag and drop wherever you like to display the review. So we are more than happy to help with the installation. So please feel free to get in touch and we'll be happy to help. And don't forget, once you're happy, make sure to click the save button, and then you can preview the app. You can preview your checkout and you see how it displays in the checkout. So I hope this is very helpful, and please get in touch if you need any help, and thanks for choosing Checkout Review.